Welcome, teachers, students, and friends. Today, I'm excited to share with you Gensy. Gensy specializes in creating and automating exit tickets, which are a way of students to have open communication and feedback with teachers. So let's dive into it. Here we are on gensy.com. We will start by signing in. After signing in, you will reach this portal for the student mode or teacher mode. Let's get started with the teacher mode. On the left side, you will see your classes. If you ever would like to test a class or just test an exit ticket, My Test Class is where to go. On the left side here, we have some additional classes. In this display, we have Algebra, World History, 10th grade English, and Physics. This shows you for English and Physics, we have two sections. As a teacher, you may have multiple sections or multiple subjects, as we have 4 subjects here. If you'd like to add another section, you can always add another class. Today, let's get started with Physics Section 2, and let's create an exit ticket and see how it looks. For every exit ticket, a teacher will have to input 3 learning objectives individually. Let's start with Newton's first law and click Add Objective, Newton's second law for the second objective, and let's complete with Newton's third law. After inputting these 3 objectives, you can always click on any of them to delete. For example, for any typos, you can click to delete and you can re-enter the correct spelling. After this is done, you will click Generate Quiz. And here we see the generated quiz. Now, for every learning objective, we have 3 learning objectives. There will be 2 questions displayed. So a total of 6 questions here on the screen. On the left side, we have an edit button. This edit button can be used to change and customize any question for maybe wrong wording, even if you like the question. On the other hand, for any questions that might not be good or are bad questions, you can always click the trash can to delete the question. After doing this, you will scroll to the bottom and click Approve and Submit to Students. This is your way of confirming that all the questions were correct. After approving and submitting to students, you will receive an access code. This access code will be the way you share your survey with the students. Click this access code and copy it to the clipboard. Now, from the student's perspective, they will go to student mode. After going to student mode, they will receive this portal, which will give them the chance to input the access code. Now, as we see, the students have the exact same survey that the teachers had. Of course, they cannot see the correct answers. After submitting all the questions, they will submit it at the bottom, and the teachers will now get a display of the metrics. This is where the teachers now can see for each learning objective, which was Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law in this demonstration, the accuracy. This accuracy will automatically update when all the students have submitted their responses. I have not submitted the response for the survey. Now, after that is done, the teachers have completed a full exit ticket where they have created the exit ticket, they have edited or deleted any questions, submitted to students, and now they get to see the metrics. This is, once again, the code. If you ever are missing the code, you can always check what was the access code to provide to students. Now that that's done, you have successfully created your first exit ticket. To create further exit tickets for your individual class, you can select the individual class and always create an exit ticket. If you would ever, again, like to just test any exit tickets and just test the generation of them, you can always go to your My Test class. Hope this was helpful in showing creating exit tickets for Gensy. Thank you so much.